Did you know that the average person spends around 90,000 hours at work during their lifetime? That's a whole lot of time, and it got me thinking about how we can infuse some joy into those hours. Today, we're diving into Joy at Work by Marie Kondo and Scott Sonenshein, a game-changer in the world of workplace happiness. So, grab your notepads, and let's turn that 9-to-5 grind into a joyous journey. Joy at Work is not just a book. It's a manual for transforming your professional life into a source of happiness. Marie Kondo, renowned for her expertise in decluttering and organizing, teams up with Scott Sonenshein to bring us a guide that combines the joy of tidying with the principles of a fulfilling work life. At its core, the book introduces the KonMari method to the workplace, a method that encourages us to evaluate the items in our professional lives based on whether they spark joy. Kondo and Sonenshein guide us through the process of decluttering our physical workspace, digital files, and even our time. The result? A workspace that not only fosters productivity but also brings a sense of joy and fulfillment. One key theme is the idea of finding joy in the work itself. Sonenshein introduces the concept of job crafting, encouraging us to redefine and reshape our roles to align better with our passions and strengths. It's about making your job a source of joy rather than just a paycheck. Joy at Work also tackles the challenges of communication and collaboration. Kondo and Sonenshein share practical tips on streamlining digital communication, conducting more effective meetings, and creating a work environment that promotes positive collaboration. It's a holistic approach to creating joy within the professional sphere. Let me share a personal experience that highlights the impact of joy at work in my life. I used to dread Mondays and often found myself overwhelmed by the clutter on my desk and the never-ending emails. After applying the KonMari method to my workspace and embracing the principles of job crafting, I began to see a shift. Suddenly, work became less of a chore and more of a joyous pursuit. The simple act of tidying up my desk and aligning my tasks with my passions made a world of difference. It's incredible how these small changes can transform your entire work experience. As we conclude our exploration into joy at work, remember that finding joy in your professional life is not a luxury. It's a necessity for overall well-being. Kondo and Sonenshein's insights provide a roadmap for making your work hours not just bearable but genuinely fulfilling. If you found these workplace joy insights valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your work buddies, and subscribe for more tips on bringing joy into your everyday life. What other happiness hacks should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Before you go, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly journeys into the world of happiness and productivity. Your support keeps the joyous vibes flowing. Until next time, keep joyous, keep productive.